Hello, pussycat. Hello, pussycat. Hi, I'm Susan, and this is my YouTube channel telling you all about what goes on in my garden. I used to live in a house with just a small patio, and we then moved into a house with a garden. It's a traditional 1930s house, and what I've done here is, oh, you have to say hello to Hudson because he comes and sees us very often. And what I've done here is I've created some vegetable beds because I'd like to start eating some homegrown vegetables rather than having to buy my own all the time. Yes, I know, we're not missing you out. We're not. Say hello. Say hello. Anyway, so I'm going to take you on a journey through my garden as to what we're doing. I've been here for about a year, and we have done quite a lot to the garden. It wasn't in a mess, but we've done a lot of things to it. Some things that go right, some things that go wrong, and this channel is just all about seeing what I do. So I hope you like the journey.